Guys, where are we going today?
Tahoe.
Yeah, what are we going to do when we're in Tahoe?
We're going to go skiing and we're also going to eat snow. We're also going to go to lessons for skiing.
Awesome. Yep, for the first time ever, you guys are going to go skiing. Ready to go outside?
Yeah!
Yeah, and see some snow?
Yeah!
All right, let's go do it. What do you think of the snow, man?
Good.
Yeah? It's cold, huh? You gonna go touch it?
Yeah.
Let's go touch some snow. Yeah, that's dirty snow, huh? How's it feel? Hey, Kaley. What do you think? Are you excited?
Uh-huh.
You touch some snow?
No, not yet.
Not yet?
Yeah.
Snow! You go see the snow, Lukey? Lukey's first time touching snow.
I'm doing the camera.
You want to do it? Okay. You say hi to people?
Hi.
All right, carry it up the hill, man. Show them where you are.
I can't grab the play.
What'd you do?
Whoa.
You ready, dude?
How do you do it, Daddy?
Hold on to it. It's recording. There we go. Amazing job, Kaley. Show me how you turn. Perfect. Can you turn the other way? Can you turn back towards me? Look at you go. Go. Kaley on day 3, tearing it up down the hill. So in 3 days, you went from not knowing how to ski at all to skiing blue runs.
Hey, are you sure I can move up a little bit? Just a little bit. Thank you. Come on, Ellie.
On the chairlift, me and the Braidster. First time ever on the chairlift.
I hope we don't fall.
Yeah, we won't fall. All right, let it rip, Brady. Nicely done, dude. Hey, you can turn. Look at you, man. Oh, why are you stopping that way?
Oh, I can do it now.
Wow, dude.
I'm really good.
You are good. Tell me about your first time skiing ever.
I never get to go skiing. And when I also like skiing down the hill.
Yeah? Is that your favorite
Yeah.
part, was going down the hill?
Yeah.
How'd you go up the hill?
I take the magic carpet.
Marcella's first time on the snowboard. Whoa! Here comes Marcella down the hill. Whoa. Years old, learning how to snowboard for the first time. Oh. Oh, ouch. Hey, Kaley. Brady, what are we about to go on?
The gondola.
You super excited?
We're gonna go fly.
But the gondola goes tiny.
It does not go fast.
It
doesn't go
does.
fast.
We're gonna pick up. You'll see.
I think it does. Lukey! Hey, buddy! All right, you guys ready to do some ice skating? Yeah? Brady? You ready?
Yeah.
All right. And we're ice skating, sorta. Right, buddy? Hit it, dude. Yeah. ice skating, Lukey. Your very first time ice skating. Kaley's getting so much better. Who won the race?
Brady.
Brady won the race.
Daddy, I won the first time.
You won the first time? Whee! Lukey sledding. 1, 2, 3, go. There goes Brady.
Yes, accurate pass.
1, 2, 3, here he goes. You ready, Lukey?
Let's go.
Here they go.
We're coming.
Ripping it up with Sarah down the hill. Do some nice turns, Kaley. Let me see some J's. Nicely done. You're at the top. The first time at the top of the mountain. What do you have to say for yourself, Kaley? What?
It's not that steep right there.
It's not that steep? Are you going to be able to do it? All right, well, let's see it. Let's see some skiing. This is a nice wide open bowl. Look at it. All right, we're about to head out from Tahoe. We had a great time.
We did.
We went sledding. We went skiing for the first time. How was skiing?
Okay.
Yeah, how was sledding?
Some people are coming to our house.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
I think we're going to be coming to our house. We're driving back home. All right, on the count of 3, say goodbye, Tahoe. 1, 2, 3. Goodbye, Tahoe.
And stretch arms high. Exhale, lower the heels, circle arms out and down. Again, inhale and stretch high.